If you feel stifled because you have the wrong people in your life right now, don't despair. The Almighty is all-knowing. He will move them out of your life and allow the right ones to cross your path. He will guide you to it. It's a matter of time. You have to trust Him. This life is a maze. At times, you may feel confronted with so many options. You have to figure out your route. What works for you may not work for someone else. Chart your own path. Whichever way you go, keep moving, even if you seem stuck. There's always a way out. Trust Him. Don't be a prisoner of your past. That part of your life's over. The mistakes you made, the bad decisions, the unwise choices, they're all part of life. Don't dwell on it. They don't define your future. Your future is a clean slate. Start writing on it. Be sure to write well. Time is precious. But equally precious is who you spend it with. If you're with the wrong company, wasting time without any regard for the minutes ticking by, you'll regret it one day. Always be conscious of time and how you use it, because once it's gone forever. Almighty, help us think of death often. Remind us constantly that our lives can end in a heartbeat. Young or old, when it's time to go, we go. Help us think of the day when we'll be meeting you. Let us be prepared and not waste time in this temporary world. Today we face trials from every direction. It's easy to feel sad and hopeless. But if your heart has sound trust in the Almighty, you won't despair. And if you're sad, be comforted knowing that nothing lasts. Be patient. Ask Him to lighten your load. Trust Him. He knows what's best. The Almighty knows your soul is tired. He knows you find it hard to accept what's going on. He knows you've been asking Him and praying hard. He knows you're confused and in need of comfort. But He also knows what's best for you. He will always steer you in that direction. Trust Him. No matter what situation you find yourself in, do not allow people's words, opinions and judgment to affect how you view yourself. By allowing it, you're practically giving them full control over you. That is an unwise move. Learn to guard your own responses and actions. We are no strangers to storms in our lives. Some big, some small. But no matter what happens, if you're connected to the Almighty, He will prove to be the only anchor you need during any storm. Make Him the center of focus. Rest assured you will be in His care always. There'll be good days and bad days. Sad days and happy days. There are some days where you'll feel like you can achieve so much while other days make you feel completely useless. But there is never a day where you doubt that the Almighty wants only good for us. Trust Him.